Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening only enough to see the problem. Don't gut the whole floor. Remove trim and create a 2x2 access or a larger panel where needed, because visibility tells you whether joists or subfloor are failing. Once exposed, inspect joists, insulation, vapor barrier, plumbing, and wiring for rot or leaks, and mark the exact damaged span. Make precise measurements for replacement sections, typically 3/4 exterior-grade plywood, and note where you'll need blocking and fasteners. You now fix structural issues before covering anything. Sister deteriorated joists with new lumber, fastening with bolts or structural screws and epoxy where necessary, because stiffness prevents future sag. Next, add blocking every 16 inches or at breakpoints to distribute load and tie sheets together. Once framing is solid, cut 3/4 plywood patches to fit, stagger seams off old joints, and leave a 1/8 inch gap for expansion. Apply construction adhesive and fasten with screws to eliminate squeaks. You finish by laying a continuous vapor barrier, an approved underlayment, and the final flooring following manufacturer specs so adhesives and fasteners bond correctly. This prevents future moisture damage. Once flooring cures, reinstall cabinets and trim, caulking seams and flashing around plumbing or appliances to stop leaks. Finally, test with normal loads and walk across the repair to detect flex or squeaks. If you hear movement, retorque or add screws at joist or sheet edges. This is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.